Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate security awareness training with KnowBe4, full guide step by step clearly. To automate security awareness training with KnowBe4, begin by logging into your KnowBe4 account. Navigate to the Training tab in the main menu. Select Training Needs Assessment to identify training requirements for your organization. Once completed, choose the appropriate training modules that align with your organization's needs. After selecting the modules, go to the Campaigns section. Click on Create New Campaign to set up your training initiative. In the campaign setup, give your campaign a meaningful name. Set the start date for your training campaign. Choose the frequency and duration for the training sessions. Next, select the training modules you previously identified. Customize the campaign if desired, by adding specific topics or deadlines. Decide on the assignment method for your training modules. You can choose to assign training to all users, specific groups, or individual employees. Afterward, set up reminders and notifications for the training sessions. This ensures participants stay informed about the upcoming training. Once your campaign is configured, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Click on Launch Campaign to initiate the training process. Monitor progress by returning to the Campaigns section. Here, you can track participation rates and completion stats. Regularly review results to gauge the effectiveness of your training. Use these insights to adjust future campaigns as necessary. Provide feedback to users after training completion to enhance learning. Automating your security awareness training with KnowBe4 streamlines the process and increases engagement. Ensure ongoing assessments and updates to maintain security awareness in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.